Good afternoon, Tigers. I'm atmospheric science student Ethan Bean here to give you your updated campus weather forecast. And it has been a gorgeous day today with temperatures ranging anywhere from 10 to 15 degrees warmer than they were at this point yesterday, prompting most temperatures across the area to be anywhere from the upper 60s to even mid 70s. In fact, we kind of have a line across the state currently. Up in Quincy and Kirksville, we're in the mid to low 60s, while Springfield, West Plains, and even Cape Girardeau, and even down in Tulsa, mid to upper 70s. And I'll explain in a little bit as to why there is a kind of a noticeable difference in temperatures across the I-70 corridor. Current wind speeds across the area still kind of gusty out there. Winds right now anywhere between 20 to 25 miles per hour. Although up in Kansas City, Kirksville, and even Quincy, those winds are have a northerly component. As Springfield and West Plains, those winds do have a southerly to even westerly component. Um, and those current wind gusts still are pretty high right now. Winds gusting up to 31 miles per hour up in Kansas City, 26 miles per hour in Springfield, and even 25 miles per hour in St. Louis. So, still seeing those gusty conditions. Um, and that is due in part to a cold front that is making its way through the area. It is a dry cold front, not expected to bring any precipitation, just kind of a narrow band of cloud cover that will move through the area. But that is why we are seeing those temperature differences along I-70 and that wind shift as well. And the wind gust forecast throughout the weekend, once this cold front does come through later on this afternoon, the wind gust does start to die down throughout your Saturday, but it does start to ramp up again by the afternoon on Sunday as uh, southerly wind component does start to take effect across the area, which will lead into next week's weather. And for the drought monitor, Northeast Missouri and Southwest Missouri are still looking pretty dry. In fact, they have a severe drought right now, and most of the central state of Missouri is just mostly dry. And that has prompted a red flag warning issued for most of the state of Missouri due to a combination of gusty winds and low humidity. So it is advised that no outdoor burning take place until at least after 6 p.m. on Monday. In regards to the temperature trend, the roller coaster continues. We're going to be only up to 41 degrees for Saturday. So that's going to be about a 30-degree difference from what we've seen today in most places. But we will peak up to 59 degrees on Tuesday. But as those temperatures do increase between Sunday and Tuesday, our rain chances will also increase as well. In fact, really between Monday and Wednesday, we're going to see scattered to even widespread chances of rain and maybe even some thunderstorms occurring on Tuesday. But as for your low tonight, 31 degrees with a mostly clear sky, those winds switching to the north, and those winds will die down over the nighttime hours. For the high tomorrow, 41 degrees, mostly sunny. Winds are still out of the north. Again, it's going to be noticeably cooler tomorrow, especially with those northerly winds. For your 7 day forecast, after Saturday's cool high, we will increase and peaking to 59, maybe even 60 degrees by Tuesday. But again, rain and storm chances um, are around anywhere between Tuesday to even Wednesday, with temperatures only 43 degrees for your high on Wednesday, when temperatures gradually warming once again Thursday and Friday into the low to mid 50s.